A smile can light up a room, connect with people without saying a word, and it's a universal language. Joining us to share some cost-effective and convenient ways to enhance your power tool is the Texas Tooth Lady, Dr. Terri Alani. Hello, good to see
Deborah.
you again.
I know, it's great to be back.
Yeah. All right. When it comes to dentistry, obviously you cover both sides of it. One is you want people to have a healthy mouth first.
Yes, exactly. But we also do a lot of cosmetic. And so my whole point today on the segment is to educate people that it's not all or none when it comes to cosmetic. Everything out there is so expensive now, gas prices, what have you. So I want to talk about affordable cosmetic options.
Yeah, and so many different options today because the technology is different today. All right, let's talk about how you can enhance your smile in just one appointment. Whitening goes a long way.
Whitening is great. As we get older, our teeth naturally yellow, so why not brighten them up? A smile speaks volumes, and in-office whitening plus the whitening trays that you take home is the most effective way to whiten your teeth. And it's very affordable. For kids, your teenagers, you can get Crest white strips. They work fantastically. You don't want to overdo it, everything in moderation, but whitening is a great way on a budget to enhance your smile.
Yeah, because sometimes when you have certain other issues with your teeth, we don't really notice it if they're just nice and bright.
Exactly.
Okay, reshaping your teeth and laser recontouring can also kind of camouflage other issues.
Exactly. So what people don't realize is just simply going into the office and having them recontour some of your teeth. In this photo, you can see where we've just taken the front teeth, we've shortened one because it was longer than the other, we've reshaped the edges, and it can totally change your smile.
Yeah.
So it's a very inexpensive way of enhancing your smile.
Yeah, cosmetically, oftentimes it is just about those front few that you see,
exactly,
right?
And don't do this at home. I know there's a TikTok video out there where they're taking a nail file to do it. Do not do it to your own teeth.
Look, there's TikTok videos for everything. I think there's a TikTok video for like heart transplants. Don't do that at home.
Okay, laser recontouring, very simple, done in one visit, painless. In this photo, the two front teeth, you can see where the gum is a little bit lower. So your gum height should be higher on your two front teeth, and we basically melt it away with a simple laser procedure. And on the next photo, you can really see a significant change with the two front teeth, where we've actually made the gums more symmetrical, because that can make a huge difference in your smile, especially when the gum is lower than it should be.
Right, because you have like those short little chiclets, but if you bring it up, you have these nice elongated teeth that are the perfect size. All right, teeth bonding.
Okay, teeth bonding. Fantastic. Done in one visit, very affordable. You can have chips on your teeth. We can go in now, and this patient could not afford veneers or crowns, so we actually bonded, and it can last up to 7 years. It can stain over time, but it's a great option for patients that may not be able to afford a veneer or crown. And we can go to the next photo, and you can see where there is a little chip on the edge. And we just basically put bonding there, it's painted on, and it becomes invisible.
Yeah. All right, so that filled that little gap right there. Okay, when I came to you, one of the things you did was said, okay, honey, the silver fillings, silver belongs on jewelry, not in your mouth, right? You replaced my silver fillings.
Placing silver fillings, of course, you think, well, who's going to see them? I think of it as having new underwear. You know, you feel good. No one's going to see it, but it still feels good.
But they did see it. When I would laugh like loud, I would like open my mouth, you could see them. So now they're all white.
It's easy to go in. I always tell people, if you're near my age and you still have silver fillings, it's time to take them out, especially if they're leaking. Now, if they're intact, we leave them alone, but it really is a nice cosmetic change.
Yeah, and that's the important thing of going in, getting your dental routine checkups and stuff, because when you saw mine, you did say, that's a little loose right there, that one's a little loose right there.
It's really important to see the dentist at least twice a year.
Yeah, because I was having no symptoms. I thought, I'm not having pain. Why should I go in? Well, that's why,
we
right?
can catch things early.
Yeah. All right. There are some things that take more than one appointment, but you also get great results. You mentioned veneers earlier. That's another step, a little higher step, but you're getting something really pretty
right.
too.
So veneers are really the top of the line when it comes to cosmetic dentistry. It can totally transform your smile. You can go, in this case, we actually straightened out the midline, and we did, I think it was 8 veneers, but you don't have to do just 8 veneers. You can combine veneers with whitening. You can do just 2 veneers. In our next photo, all we did was 2 veneers. The 2 front teeth were worn down, they were short. Your 2 front teeth should be longer than the teeth on either side. So we lengthen them. It creates a more youthful look.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can just do 1 veneer. If I look at a patient and my eye goes to one tooth, that tooth is what needs to be changed. It's not entirely the entire mouth that has to be changed.
And you can get like a color match in the whole bit. Okay, the snap-on smile. This has, like, for so many people, delivered them in such a great way, because if they had teeth that were compromised or just big gaps all the time, you know, I'm telling your story. But
yeah.
I just loved it, because I run into people who say, I went to Dr. Alani and I can smile again. I can go to a job interview again.
So Snap-on Smile is an amazing, affordable, reversible, painless way to totally change your smile.
There it is right there.
This is what a beautiful Snap-on Smile looks like. It is a removable appliance. It is customized, not like the internet appliances. Do not go there. I tell my patients you can't eat with them. You can actually eat with these. This patient on the left, I mean, that is need of a smile makeover.
Yeah, and it snaps on, you can eat with them.
And this patient came in. Now remember, the patient had healthy gums. We take full set of x-rays, make sure all cavities are filled, and look at the difference. This patient now left our office just super excited, and it's very affordable.
Because had that been done in some of the other methods, it would have cost thousands and thousands of dollars.
Exactly,
right?
And it can be a cosmetic appliance. In this particular patient, not only did we replace the tooth, we whiten the teeth, we straighten the teeth. It's very natural looking, and you just wear it when you want.
Yeah.
It's Snap-on Smile.
And you said beware of the internet appliances. We actually got one off the internet and bought one in a store, and the smile is not too natural right there.
No, we see quite a few patients that go online. Remember, no discounts. What do I say? Heart surgery, parachutes, and dental work.
Yeah, don't get the cheap stuff. All right, Nesbitt versus implants.
Okay, so sometimes patients have a missing tooth. They don't want a Snap-on Smile. Basically, this is a very simple way of replacing that missing tooth until they can get an implant. It's called a Nesbitt. It's made out of a Valplast material. It's very durable, and it basically just fits right into the space. You just take it out when you're not using it. I hear some people go, oh, well, I could swallow it. You're not going to swallow it.
Yeah.
It fits very well.
Okay, and then Invisalign, as we know, is a great way to straighten your teeth without people seeing that you're straightening your teeth.
Right, and sometimes you don't need Invisalign for 2 years. Maybe you just need it for like 2-3 months just to straighten a few teeth, because really flaws, if you just correct a few flaws, it can make a huge change in your smile. So we don't want patients to get overwhelmed with an all or none cosmetic approach.
Right, and that's the key, is to come in and let you talk them through it so they can understand what their options are.